Alright, welcome back guys. In this video you will learn how to cartoonize any photo inside of Photoshop with just one click. Let's see different examples here. Interesting. Let's get started. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, as that will encourage us to keep creating more videos like this. Now, start by importing your image inside of Photoshop. Then the only thing you have to do is to download the action that I'll provide in the video description. Once you have downloaded the action and save it somewhere on your hard drive, then let's go to Window and enable the Actions panel. Currently, I have just the default actions here. To import the action you have downloaded, click on this button. Then choose Load Action from here. Navigate to the folder where you save the action and load it inside Photoshop. Now we have our cartoon effect. Let's just minimize the panel for now. Before beginning this process, please save a backup of this image somewhere, then select the crop tool. Simply click and crop the image to the dimensions that you like. Once you are done, commit the changes. With the background selected, go to the Actions panel. Click on this arrow to expand the cartoon group. Select Cartoon 1 and click on this button to play it. Depending on the speed of your processor, this process might actually take a while. You can see how with just one click, we are able to convert this image into a cartoon. The good thing is that most of these effects are still customizable. So if you want to adjust the midtones, the highlight and the shadows, you can do so from the levels adjustment. We can adjust the shadows or the darkest portions, or the gamma value here, which is the midtones, or the highlights. Let's test this on different images. Let's switch to this other photo. I'll just resize the image. Then click on this button. On the Actions panel, I'll just apply the cartoon effect. That cartoonized the image instantly. Let's try on this other photo. It is done. You can also apply this effect to an entire image. The reason I'm cropping is to make it easier for the computer to process. So let's go to the Actions panel and apply this action here. And we have this incredible result. Let's see. One thing about this other image is that it is actually dark. So let's see how this cartoon effect plays out. Let's crop the image. And let's commit the changes. Then let's click on this button to play the action. It brightens the image, and this is solely because of the levels adjustment here. You can see. Again, on this other image, she has very dark skin tone. So let's just crop the image. And let's commit the changes. Then on the Actions panel, let's just play the action again. And everything is done. You can always go to the layers and adjust the levels. As you can see. Let's see the next photo. Let's crop it. And let's apply the action. It converts the image instantly. And with the last photo here, let's just apply the action. And everything worked out so well. On the Layers panel, you can be able to modify all these filters that are added. For instance, if I want to reshape the lips here, I can just double click on Liquify filter. That will bring up this window, and then I can adjust the upper lips and the lower lips. But right now you cannot be able to see the changes because we have other filters stacked on top. The only way you'll be able to see the result is if you click OK. And you see these lips here being changed. So that's how you can easily turn any photograph into a cartoon with just a single action inside Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel and give us a like. See you in the next one. Bye bye.